What makes you itch? What sort of a situation would you like? What would you like to do if money were no object? How would you really enjoy spending your life? If you say that getting the money is the most important thing, you will spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way. If you do really like what you're doing, it doesn't matter what it is, you can eventually turn it, you could eventually become a master of it.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.